those who don't know us, we are the Boudreaux, and today we're making slime. Okay, so what I did was I typed in Google how to make slime for kids, and these are the things they told us we'll need.
I want to make a slime too.
You want to help me tell them what we need? Okay, so this is water.
Water.
These are bowls. This is food coloring. And this is glue. Measuring cups and borax. I think that's how you pronounce it. So we've never made it. We hadn't watched anybody make it. This is just something we wanted to do with our family. So we're gonna get started, okay? So what it says is, and this is what I'm following. I hope you guys can see. Let me get it right.
Don't put it on bombs. There's a hair.
Anyways, it ain't acting right. So we're about to go ahead and start. What it says is squeeze about 4 ounces of glue into a bowl. Okay.
Just take the lid off.
And these are 4 ounces. So I'm gonna let Dada
Squeeze it.
and Maya do that in one bowl. We're gonna do two.
Put it in the
Two
bowl.
different colors, one for Bubba and one for Maya.
Whoa.
It's okay. Be careful.
Don't rub it in, baby.
It's okay, it's gonna dry out.
You can better peel it later.
Ah, we gotta get it all out.
All gone.
All gone?
Yeah.
Got a little bit more. You wanna help,
Don't put
Bubba?
it in there yet. Don't let him put his fingers in it.
You wanna help? He's trying to lick it.
Fat boy.
Okay.
I need my spoon.
No, not
Hold
yet.
on. You wanna squeeze some more? You squeeze some. You do it. Can't shake it. Just squeeze. There you go.
Good job, Maya.
Such a big girl.
I'm a
Yeah. You making slime?
Yeah.
I think that's much.
They said about.
Yeah.
We trying to get every little drop out. Perfectionist.
No, not yet, baby.
Okay, so we got all of the glue out of the containers.
Yep.
And the next step is, I'm gonna let Dad read it for us. It's okay, baby. You want your juice?
All right, mix in 1.5 bottle of warm water.
1.5 bottle.
Yeah.
It says bottle.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and pour the whole bottle. You wanna pour it in, Maya?
Yeah.
Here.
Whoa.
Here. We're gonna run out of room.
Well, I need
Let me
my.
close.
Okay.
All right, then
You need
add.
half. That's only one.
Oh yeah.
You pour your half and then I'll
Wait,
pour.
Maya,
Wait,
don't put
baby.
your spoon in there yet.
Yeah.
You don't even stir with that. Wait. For half.
Yeah.
That should be good.
Ah!
Wait, baby. Okay.
Put a little bit more, Maya.
Oh,
It don't matter.
team power.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Add your food coloring.
Add your food coloring.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have pink, lime green, blue, and purple. What color do you want?
Pink one.
Okay. So we're gonna do. You wanna do neon? You wanna do neon for Bubba and pink for Maya?
Yeah, put it in
Okay.
this one, Maya.
All right. So what did they say? 1 drop, 2 drop.
I think, yeah. They
Watch
just
it.
said as much as desired. So
Hands already dirty. Okay, as much as desired.
wait.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop like 3 drops. Bam. Well, 4. Bam. 5.
Wait.
Bam. 6.
Okay. Maya's gonna do the whole thing. Wait.
Wait, is our bowl leaking?
No, it probably just.
Look all around here.
What?
Definitely leaking. All right, so let's speed it up. What's the next step?
All right.
Mike.
Add 1 teaspoon of borax.
I'm gonna add some more. teaspoon.
I need some vegetables. Like what?
Open this.
She put me in there.
Yeah,
1
right.
teaspoon. So we're just gonna use this
I need a
spoon
spoon.
of borax.
I need sugar.
That's not sugar, baby.
That's not sugar.
What's that?
Bam. And then what does it say?
I need put in. I need hold it.
What's the next step?
I need
Then
hold
you
it.
stir it.
Move, baby, move. Stir it.
Yeah, stir it. in there.
Where's my butter knife?
I want my spoon.
I'll just use the spoon.
I need a spoon.
Okay, stir and borax solution until slime starts to come together.
I need.
Here, you can do it. Do mine.
Ow.
We'll do bubbles. Uh-oh. It just doesn't look like slime is coming. Whoa, Maya. We're gonna stir it gently. Look, Maya. Look at that ass.
Look.
I need mine.
Okay. Hold on, let me just cook it down. Stir it down.
I need cookies.
The water should have been more warm, huh?
I need more.
I think it's doing what it's supposed to do.
I
It's
need
just
cookies.
the water. It ain't gonna soak
I
the
need-
water up. The water just ready for coloring. I think.
I need.
I assume.
I got you. Here, you can stir it. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 merrily, life is but a dream. What are we making?
Slime.
What color is this?
The wing.
What color is that?
I guess that's what it's supposed to do.
You bit mess.
No, I hope it don't stain the table.
His brand is coarse.
I need it.
Maybe we should look up a video on YouTube. Did it come out like
I
this?
need water. I need water.
You wanna look it up?
Yeah.
I think that's what it's supposed to do.
Ah.
Alright.
Alright.
You wanna play with it?
Yeah.
Oh my
I
goodness.
don't want to trace it.
Okay.
Ah. This doesn't like it.
Okay, you guys. So as you can see,
I guess it worked.
right, it is slimy. So for whatever reason, I thought that the water was supposed to be soaked up, but Joey made a good point, and he said that.
It's just supposed to. I think it's just for the color, like for the color to sit in it.
Okay.
I guess.
I need some spoon. I need spoon.
You need the spoon? Okay.
You know,
Oh, when you squeeze it together, it really stays.
Wow.
it feels so nasty.
You play with it.
She won't worry about the slime.
Whoa!
Wow.
You want to touch it, Bubba?
Oh.
Touch it.
Oh.
Wow, naked.
We got slime, dude. Actual slime.
Yeah.
I'm actually amazed by it if you really want. It's like egg yolks. Stuck together. It's like one big egg. We did it. Ooh, maybe on the next one we can do the world's biggest slime. Like
We
just,
need a bigger bowl.
oh, for sure.
Sorry.
Like get one of them big old.
We might have put too much water.
It
It
might
might have meant like an 8 ounce. 8 ounce, you know, cup. I mean, well, I guess I guess all bottles are the same. But maybe they meant like 8 ounces of water, not 12. I mean 16. Then we get a half. So.
That's why I said, did they say bottle? We should,
It said bottle.
I mean, we're gonna do it again.
Cause that is a lot of water.
Okay.
Or just keep
So-
them colors and stuff, don't we? Can
We're gonna close out this video, you guys. We hope you liked it. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And like we said in the beginning, yours look better than mine. Do you think it's the color?
I don't know.
Pink.
And some of your water drained out. I probably got too much water.
I don't know. know. I don't know.
But like we said before, we are the Boudreaux, and today we made slime.